In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Framer, utilizing lightweight embeds with the Shopify Buy button. This approach is perfect for those of you who favor a no-plugin, low-setup method, keeping things simple yet effective. Let's dive right in and see how you can accomplish this integration seamlessly. First, we'll begin by leveraging Shopify's Buy button feature. This neat little tool is designed to help you sell products directly from Shopify without the need for a full e-commerce website. It allows you to embed product listings onto any web page you choose, making it ideal for streamlining sales directly through your Framer projects. To get started with this, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Shopify admin. Here, you'll find the Buy button section. This feature allows you to create a customizable button that can lead your viewers or customers straight to a product page or cart checkout. It's an incredibly versatile way to embed your online store into other platforms. You will want to click on Create a Buy button to initiate the setup. Now, you need to select the product you'd like to feature. This step is crucial as it determines what your customers will see when they click the Buy button. Once you've chosen the product, Shopify will guide you through a series of customization options. These allow you to alter the appearance of the button to match the design aesthetic of your project or simply make it more enticing to potential buyers. You can modify colors, button text, and even the action that occurs when someone clicks on it, whether they are directed to the checkout page or a detailed product view. Once you've tailored the Buy button to your liking, Shopify will generate the necessary embed code for you. This is a snippet of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that you'll need to integrate into Framer. And don't worry if you're not a coding expert. Shopify makes this as straightforward as possible. Now, let's move over to your Framer project. In Framer, insert an embed element. This can be easily found within the Insert menu, and it's here where you'll place the previously generated Shopify embed code. Simply paste it into the designated area of the embed element. This integration allows you to maintain the sleek and interactive environment that Framer projects are known for, while providing full e-commerce functionality from Shopify. After embedding the code, take a moment to preview the setup to ensure everything appears as you expect. Functional and visually appealing. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to integrate Shopify with Framer, using lightweight embeds with the Shopify Buy button. By keeping the process minimal, yet efficient, this method offers great flexibility for anyone looking to enhance their digital projects with e-commerce capabilities. Make sure to save your work, and you're all set to start selling straight from Framer.